Want to create an engaging carousel design in Canva that people will love to swipe through? Here is how you can do it step by step. First, open Canva and log into your account. Click on the Create a Design button and search for Instagram Carousel, or choose a custom size if you want it for another platform. Select the blank canvas option. To make the carousel flow smoothly, use the same height for all slides and make sure the width matches the platform's carousel size. Start by designing the first slide. Add your main title and a strong visual to capture attention. You can use Canva's text and elements tools to add shapes, images, and icons. Keep your brand colors and fonts consistent. Once the first slide is ready, click on Duplicate Page to create the next slide. This helps maintain alignment and design flow. Replace the text and images while keeping the layout similar so it feels connected. Repeat this for all slides in your carousel. When done, click on Download, select PNG or JPEG, and choose All Pages so you get each slide separately. Now you have a complete carousel design ready to upload. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section.